if you are posting 3 times in a week and your views are still low, I need you to hear this carefully. Posting more videos is not the reason your channel is not growing. In fact, posting 3 times a week might be the exact reason slowing your growth. And today I'm going to show you what to do instead. Something smarter, simpler, and way more powerful, because algorithm 2026 doesn't pay reward effort, it rewards strategy. Stay with me to the end of this video. Most small creators believe this: if I post more, I will grow faster. That sounds logical, right? More videos is equal to more chances to go viral. But here is the main problem when you post too often without a strategy. 1. Your videos compete with each other. 2. You didn't give YouTube enough time to test your content to a larger audience. And 4. Your quantity drops without you realizing it. You end up working harder but growing slower, and that is frustrating. Let me explain this in a simple term. When you upload videos, YouTube does something very important. It tests it. Firstly, it shows it to a small group of people. If they click and watch, it pushes it to more people, and if they don't, it slows it down. Now, imagine this. You upload video on Monday. Before YouTube finishes testing the video, then you upload on Wednesday, and also you also upload again on Friday. Now the algorithm is confused. It doesn't know which video to push harder. It basically interrupts its own momentum. Instead of one strong push, you created 3 big pushes. Here is what you should do instead. Post once in a week, but make it a strategic upload. Not random, not pushed, but strategic. Instead of asking how many videos can I post, ask how powerful can I make one video. Spend more time on a stronger hook, a better thumbnail, a more emotional title, and a clear topic. One strong video can outperform 5 average videos. So I'll be telling you the simple weekly structure you can follow. Day 1 and 2, research. Find what people are already watching in your niche, be it faceless niche or non-faceless niche. Day 3 and 4, script and improve. Focus on clarity. Remove blurring parts. Strengthen your hook in the first 15 minutes. Day 5, record your video on day 5. High energy, clear voice, strong delivery. Day 6, thumbnail plus title. Spend real time here, because this is the 50% of your success on YouTube. Day 7, upload and promote. Community posts, comment on similar videos, and also reply comments fast. That means stay active. That is smarter than rushing 3 videos in a week. YouTube cares about 3 things. 1. CTR, that means click through rate. 2. Watch time or watch hour. 3. Satisfaction, that means your audience satisfaction. When you post less but better, 1. Your click-through rate improve. 2. Your watch time or your watch hour improve. Then 3. Your retention improve also. That tell YouTube that people actually love this creator, and that is when growth starts compounding. Now let me be clear. Posting more videos work if you already understand your audience. 2. Your content style is consistent. 3. You are testing formats. That means you are testing different type of content. You have enough data showing that works. But if you are under 1,000 subscribers, quality beats quantity every time. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most creators doesn't have a posting problem, but they have a positioning problem. Your video ideas matters more than the upload schedule. So ask yourself this question: is your topic emotional? Is it specific? Is it curiosity driven? Does it solve a real problem? Because even if you post once in a month, if the topic is powerful enough, it will grow. Starting this week, 1. Reduce to 1 high quality video per week. 2. Spend 2 times more on your thumbnail and your title. 3. Study your top performing video. Why did it work? Improve hooks retention in the first 30 seconds of your video. 5. Stop uploading just to stay active. Growth is not about activity, it's about impact. So if you have been posting 3 times in a week and you are not finding results, try this for 30 days. 1 powerful video per week, and come back and tell me what happened. So if this open your eyes, comment strategy over speed. Strategy over speed, because creators who wins in 2026 are not just the bossless ones, they are the smartest ones.